Infamous Joel here, and in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what the best Facebook group for affiliate marketing is. And just as a disclaimer, yes, I'm going to be completely biased. I'm going to be completely tooting my own horn and only talking about myself. So if you don't like that, please click off this video. But I'm going to talk about myself in such a way that really breaks down my Facebook group, why it's the best, and why you need to join that Facebook group right now. Now let's get into it. I'm just going to skip all the intros and show you exactly what you need to do right now. This is going to be a short video. Now here's my Facebook group right here, and at the time of this recording, the Facebook group is called High Ticket Affiliate Marketing for Busy Professionals. This is my baby. I started this maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I absolutely pour a lot of energy and effort into this group. You can see we're almost at 2,000 members, something like that. I don't know exactly where it is. There it is, 1.5. Okay, so we're getting closer on 2,000 members, but I really put a lot of time and effort into this Facebook group. You can see there's a lot of free giveaways. There's a lot of free training. There's actually a guide section right here. So what guides is basically a mini course section. I'm always adding to this. I get a lot of people asking me all the time, and they ask questions like, where's your course? Can I get a course? I don't sell any courses. I don't believe in selling courses. I don't think courses really help people. So I don't want to give courses, like I don't want to put a price tag to a course. I'm not one of those people. I do have a program called the Affiliate Franchise. It's a done for you program. There's a whole thing to it. You can check that out down in the description below. But when you look for course stuff, if you want to just learn, if you want knowledge and things like that, I give away a lot of free training, a lot of free course stuff in this Facebook group, and specifically in the guide section. I'm always updating it. I'm always adding stuff to it. So there's always new things to learn in here. I also go live all the time in here, and I do a lot of Q&A sessions. So for those of you who are looking for coaching and mentorship and things like that, I do give away a lot of free stuff in here as far as that as well. You might have questions and you might, be stuck in your journey, and I try to get you out of that bottleneck, okay? So there's a lot in this Facebook group, okay? And you can see if you scroll down here long enough, you see I give away, there's a lot of giveaways. I love giveaways. I'm a big fan of giving away free stuff, and that's how we form a relationship in here. The community is wonderful. This is where the infamous mob lives. So again, if you're infamous too, you subscribe to the channel, right? But if you're in the infamous mob, that's what I call my movement, the people trying to get out of the 9 to 5, people saying F you to the, powers that be, that kind of stuff. And we're going to find our own way. We're the infamous mob. We're going to do it our way. And I don't care what past you have or anything like that. So you can see, you want a list of my highest paying affiliate programs. Let's see if there's other stuff recently. There's changes coming soon. I talked about some training that I was coming up with. People were talking about they were interested. AI tools that I was giving away for free right here. I gave away a list of AI tools. I love giving stuff away. So if you're a fan of free stuff, if you're one of those people that are going to YouTube or going on Google and signing up for stuff to get stuff for free all the time, skip all of that and just join my Facebook group, because I give away free stuff almost every day in here. Okay, I'm always active. You can also chat with me in here. You can chat with my team in here. You can go into the members section right here, and you can see I have different admins and moderators and things like that are in here, and they also can provide help and value and things like that. Okay, so that being said, I am a big fan of my own Facebook group. So if you're looking for a Facebook group that's going to provide you training and give you that sense of community, and you want something that's going to help you on your journey, join my Facebook group. I know this is like a self-promotion video and it's coming out of nowhere, but I did see that people were searching here on YouTube for what the best Facebook group for affiliate marketing is. Those keywords came up for me today. I said, well, what the hell? I'm just going to tell people my Facebook group is by far the best. Extremely biased video, extremely shameless promotion. I don't care. I believe in my Facebook group. I think it's awesome. I worked really hard on it. So go ahead and join. Click down below. I have the link down here, and I'll expect to see you in there soon, and I'll approve you to join, and we'll start giving you a bunch of free stuff, free training, free tools, free lists, free cheat sheets. We give away a lot of free stuff in here, okay? So love it, love it, love it, love the community. Hashtag mob if you're in the infamous mob, and you will be once you join this group, okay? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.